Scrambled Egg Tortilla Wrap, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the tortilla recipes and one of the most different of the scrambled egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the egg recipes. Today we're going to make scrambled egg tortilla wrap. The ingredients are 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 2 eggs. Take 1 cup of wheat flour, put in salt to taste, mix, pour in 3/4 cup of water, mix and knead so as to make a nice dough. Put it in little by little. And knead the flour to make a thick and consistent dough. Thoroughly knead the flour. Now let the dough rest for 15 minutes. After making it into a ball, heat the pan and put in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the onion pieces. Put in the ginger. Curry. Put in the garlic, salt, half spoon chili powder, breaking 2 eggs, let it fry for around 30 to 40 seconds. Scrambled eggs. And cook for 5 minutes and take off the flame. Now take the dough ball and make it into smaller balls. Roll it in between the palms so as to make it into smaller balls. And keep it aside. Now dust the surface on which we flatten the dough. Take the small dough ball and flatten it into a round shape using the rolling pin. Turn it around and make it into a circular flat tortilla shape using the rolling pin. Dust the surface, flatten it out. Do this with the other balls, and these can be then fried. The pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the tortillas. Now turn it over. Turn it over from side to side. Turn it over again. apply some oil on the tortillas. On the sides. Turn it over. And on the other side also. Turn it on. Now put in the scrambled egg filling to the tortilla and fold it and press. Turn it over. Turn it over again. Now take off the pan and do this with the other tortillas until all the tortillas are nicely made into wraps. This is the final. Scrambled egg tortilla wrap. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the tortilla recipes and one of the most different of the wrap recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snacks recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the scrambled egg recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.